No, thank you. Throw popcorn!
Did you make a wish, baby?
Don't tell us because you know it's not going to come true.
You both already know what I wish for anyways.
Big goof. You're a big goof.
Yeah, but we've been over this.
Popcorn, Dad, give me some popcorn. Can I have some popcorn, Dad? Please, Dad.
The police could just take care of it.
It could be like the Fantastic Four. I just want still.
I want to be able to.
I got nothing. It's
And I
cooling
finally
down.
figured out how to do that.
It's cooling down.
I think I got a job. Good job.
Jeez, Dad, we heard it.
Doing what?
Something
We
that's
know
gonna-
you have popcorn. Ow.
I promise I'll take you bowling, all right? Let's go.
Mom, you coming?
Mom's had a long day. Go get your jacket.
Popcorn!
All I want is a smile at my boy on his birthday, and I can't even do that.
Moo's just laying on the back pillow looking.
I just don't know how much longer I can do this.
You see if it's
I
cooling.
want to say things will get better.
Now,
But I know how that sounds.
gotta make sure it's okay.
The truth is, they will.
Then he's like,
Over
oh.
there. Now you're over there. When you're over there.
Yeah, she's back on that side.
Yeah, it's been a month. You never told me your name.
These are just when we left alone.
Well, you came to the right place.
Oh, ow.
Girls get a bit old. Let me guess. You were living a perfectly ordinary life. You discovered you could do incredible things. But it was wonderful at first. Well, perhaps you could save the world. Tragically, you were dangerous.
They won't even respond to me. Are you going to throw it? And, oh, sweet grandma gets her popcorn.
Be in here forever, that's fine by me.
We've been through something awful, haven't we?
Is it Abba?
Sorry.
Peter.